Welcome to Under 4-Minute Math. This video on order of operations will be using the acronym GEMS to simplify expressions. This is a GIF I created to show what the different letters of GEMS stand for. It also shows you that within the M of GEMS, you have to remember the inverse operation of division, and within the S of GEMS, you have to remember the inverse operation of addition. Now I'm going to use this very long expression to quickly show you how the basic mathematical operations are simplified in order. So using GEMS, we're going to be looking at the operations of addition, division, multiplication, and exponent, subtraction, and subtraction again. So with GEMS, we start at the top and we work our way down. So the first letter is G for grouping. So we're going to simplify the parentheses first and get 1. Then we're going to look and see if we have any exponents. We do. 3 squared is 3 times 3, which will simplify to 9. The next thing is going to be division because we do multiplication or division from left to right. So that is why division is happening before multiplication. 36 divided by 4 is 9. Now we're going to have our multiplication coming next because that is before addition or subtraction in our order. We simplify that, we get 81, then we do addition and then subtraction because it goes from left to right. Now that we did that very long expression, let's look at some more simple ones to make sure we know how to identify what to simplify first and then second. So using GEMS, we look at, are there any grouping symbols? No. Are there any exponents in the expression? No. So now we have multiply or divide. Well, we have division, which comes before subtraction. So we need to divide 10 divided by 2, simplify that, and then we subtract because that's all that we have left, and the answer is 25. Now looking at this expression, we're going to use GEMS again. Are there any grouping symbols? No. Are there any exponents? Yes. So that's what we need to do first. We have 5 squared, which means 5 times itself. 5 times 5 simplifies to 25. Now we have addition or multiplication. So we come down here and multiplication happens before addition. So 25 times 2, which is 50, only have one operation, so we just simplify, and the answer is 54. What about with this one? Once again, no grouping, no exponents, so we're down here with division and multiplication. Well, those have to happen from left to right. So 12 divided by 4 has to happen before 4 times 3. So 12 divided by 4 simplifies to 3. 8 plus 3 is addition. 3 times 3 is multiplication. So now we have to do multiplication before addition because multiplication comes before addition in order of operations. 3 times 3 is 9. Simplify our addition, and we're done with an answer of 17. What about here? Well, grouping symbol, we have grouping symbols, so we have to do that first. 1 plus 5 is 6. Now we have multiplication or division. Well, multiplication has to be done from left to right compared to division. So we have 4 times 6, which is 24. Simplify our last expression, and we get 8. Now, I want to point out, please avoid doing this. I see that happen all the time when I'm working with students. This means you've actually applied the 20 twice because it's going with the 10 and the 4, and it's out of order. So when you are solving these, please do one step at a time to avoid computational mistakes. So we would do our division first, and that concludes this order of operations video using the acronym GEMS.